Hey everyone, I'm so excited for today's video because we are diving into one of my favorite skincare brands, Babor. Some of these products I've used for years, others I've never touched until now, so today I'm unboxing a mix of holy grails and first impressions, especially if you like me and care about hydration and anti-aging. This video is for you. It's not sponsored. Some of these products were gifted to me, but every opinion is 100% my own. Hi, I'm Ala Shapiro and I own 2 Woodhouse Day Spas in New Jersey. Working in the beauty space for years has taught me one thing: when you find something that actually works, you hold on onto it. So let's go through the products I love, the new ones I'm testing, and I want to hear from you. In the comments too, let's make this a conversation, and I will post all the links to all these products in the description. Let's start with the tried and true products that have earned a permanent spot in my skincare drawer. Collagen Peptide Booster Cream Rich. This one, I've been using it for years. Here we go. It's like a tall glass of water for my face, but with firming powers. I love the packaging. I'm not going to open it. It's very hydrating, even though it says collagen rich. It's not going to help you with collagen production. For collagen production, do drink your collagen. You use it morning and night. This is especially good in winter months when your skin is dry or if your skin is dry. So this is the product that I've been using for years and years and years. I love it. The Cure Cream. This has been a staple for me for months as well. I reach for it when my skin looks tired and I want a well-rested glow look, even if I was up all night. The Collagen Cream Rich I usually use at night. It's more hydrating. The Cure Cream I use in the morning. It's a great moisturizer. It has 15% biogen plant extract. I'm not going to open it yet because I haven't opened one upstairs. But again, beautiful packaging. It feels really nice, hydrating. So Renewal Cream is another thing that I use for months now. It's 4.2% Triple Retinol Complex. It's a moisturizer that you use at night, not in the morning, as a treatment, as your retinol treatment. It's really good for sensitive types like me. I can't take retinol too much, and I use this cream once or twice. If you can't get to it, you can use it every night, but I use it once or twice a week. Now for the fun part, let's unbox some new to me Babor products. I haven't tried these yet, so I'll give you my honest first impression. Love to know, have you tried any of these? Drop your recommendation or warnings in the comments. Barrier Balance Lotion Cleanser. Let's open it. We're not going to cleanse clearly, but I just want to feel how it feels. It's 7.5% biogen plant complex, so it's in the same category as the Cure Cream. So there is very natural smell. It feels very nice and hydrating. I think it's a nice cleanser. It feels good and it smells good, and that's the most important thing. So this is a yes for me. I'm going to try it tonight. We talked about what retinol does. Retinol actually makes your skin produce, not your skin, your body produce collagen, and collagen is so important for anti-aging. So let's talk about next product, Refining Radiance Serum. This is a 10% vitamin C serum. Vitamin C is very important for anti-aging, and I recommend that anybody starting from age 30 uses vitamin C. This is your brightening, this is age prevention. It works great when you use it with SPF together. And let's try this one, 10% vitamin C. And doesn't smell anything, and vitamin C, you would cleanse your face, put vitamin C next, then you put any other serum that, oh, this feels really good actually. I hope you can see. Doesn't smell anything. That's important. I don't like products that have fragrance, because then you smell like all these different products. Okay, this is a yes for me. You can see there is no dropper. The packaging, vitamin C, when it's exposed to light, it actually goes bad. So that's why it's important to have an appropriate packaging, which this one is. Next one is Radiance Ampoule Serum Concentrate. I showed you the Radiance Cream. This is a 7-day treatment ampule. I'm not going to open the ampules, but I'll show you how they look. They look like this. And the way you open, there should be an opener here. there is an opener that you would just like put it on top and break it off. So this is a 7-day treatment. So we just talked about Radiance serum that you can use every day. This is a 7-day treatment pack that you would use to brighten your face for 7 days, and then you go back to this Radiance serum. I'm not going to try it, but I'm sure it's nice, and I like to do treatments once in a while because then your skin behaves better, your anti-aging is better. I actually love these kind of treatments from Babor. I've used others, not these particular ones. And then I want to also talk about this 4.2 Triple Retinol Complex Serum Concentrate. So we talked about Renewal Cream. Renewal Cream is great, but it's not as strong as this. And this is a 7-day treatment pack as well, which you would use at night, where vitamin C that we just talked about, you would use during the day. Again, it looks the same ampoule, you just open it. One ampoule is one-time use, you apply it, you don't want to leave it because then it goes bad. So use the whole ampoule. So these are the skincare products. I also received the body products that I'm going to talk about next. So we do not sell Babor body products in the spas. I can provide links, you can buy them online. And I want to specifically talk about this range of Soul and Body. So I have a body wash here, hand cream, shimmer oil, and a body lotion. It has a very interesting smell. It's actually, I think, will be good for men and women. It's that musky smell. Let's open the hand cream first. So, and you can never have enough hand creams, right? It's a smell that will be, oh, this is very hydrating. Will be great for men or women. Very hydrating, look at this. And then I'm not going to open the body wash because I'm not going to take a shower in front of you. A body lotion, because I assume these are the same products, hand cream and body lotion. This is just bigger. But I do want to try the shimmer oil. In summer, we all like to have that shimmer. When I go out, I put it here, I put it here. You can put it on your arms, on your legs if you have short skirts. So let's just mix it and see what happens. Has similar smell to the other ones. And I do not know if you can see it, but it gives you this beautiful, beautiful glow. And it gives you this nice smell. You don't need any perfume after this. Okay, so this is a yes, I'm going to be using this one. I really like it. If you're still with me, thank you. I love doing these unboxing with you and hearing what you've tried too. Before you go, I want to make sure you grab my free guides I put together. You can download them from the description. So I have a guide to dry skin. I have a guide to neck care. I have a guide on how to start retinol. And I have a guide on 6 products that are important for everybody to use. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me keep creating videos like this and grow here on YouTube. And I'd love to hear your comments. I want to hear from you which Babor product should I do a deep dive on next. Have you ever had a product that totally surprised you in a good or not so good way? Let me know in the comments right there. And if you're struggling with sagging in the lower face or jowls, don't miss this next video on how to fix jowls without surgery. Bye!